Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm going to share with you why weight loss pills don't work for a lot of people. Now here's the thing. The weight loss industry is a billion-dollar industry. A lot of money is being made. There's a lot of products out there in the weight loss industry, right? And weight loss pills are a very common thing. You see all these commercials and ads talking about how, you take this and you can lose this amount of weight. You take this and you can lose 40 pounds in 2 months, all that stuff, right? And that's all fine and dandy. A lot of people buy these products, they take them and they don't get results. And they're like, yo, this was trash. This was garbage. The reason in most cases why it doesn't work for them is because they're taking in too many damn calories. All right, to lose weight, no matter what the situation is, to lose weight, right, you need to be in a caloric deficit. That means you need to be taking in less calories than your maintenance level. All right, so if it's 2,000 calories you need to be getting daily to maintain your weight, you need to be under that, right? You need to be under that for you to start losing weight. All right, so what happens is a lot of people, you know what I'm saying, they just want to lose weight. They just want results. So they buy all these products, weight loss this, weight loss that. And they're under the misguidance, I guess, or perception that if they just take this pill, the weight just gonna start falling off, right? They just pop this pill one or two times a day and they're just gonna wake up and be ripped. They're going to be lean, toned, all that shit, right? But the problem is they take the pill and that's all they do. They don't, if they need $2,000 calories to maintain their weight, they're still taking in 2,300 calories a day, 2,700 calories a day, and they're not seeing the results. So what do? They blame the supplement. Now, are there trash ass supplements out there? Yes, there are. But are there some good ones out there that the ingredients in them actually can help you, burn calories quicker and all that stuff? Yes, there are legit products out there. But the bottom line is, if you don't get your ass in a caloric deficit, you're not going to see the results that you want to see. And that's just facts, all right? Now let me go back real quick because I said, under any circumstances, if you're not in a caloric deficit, you can't lose weight. Now I know somebody gonna comment and be like, not if you have so-and-so disorder. Not if you have so-and-so disease. Okay, we know. But in most cases, majority of cases, you need to be in a caloric deficit to lose any weight, no matter what kind of supplement you are on. So, there's nothing wrong with trying out, different weight loss supplements if you want to, right? But just be aware you're still going to need to watch your calories, all right? And there's ways to do that without stressing and being all depressed because you feel like you can't eat no cheesecake no more. That ain't the case either, all right? But that's my take on it. Comment below. Let me know what you think about weight loss pills. Do you think they work? Do you think you can actually take weight loss pills and still eat like absolutely whatever you want? Comment below. And by the way, you want to snatch up one of these smooth ass BTFL shirts, link be in the description. Alright, be sure to subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Peace.